Guess whose birthday was yesterday? Hi everyone, it's Caritha. Welcome back to Essence of Polish. Well, if you've never been here, welcome to Essence of Polish, and welcome back if you've been here before. Today's video is going to be my birthday manicure, even though my birthday was yesterday. It's going to be a black and silver glitter placement. So now let's get the video started. Both of the glitters are from the Recollections brand. The silver is called Bling and the black is called Iridescent Black. And also the black and silver base colors that I have on, the black is N Wild Black Crème and the silver is Hansen Pumping Iron. To stick down the glitter, I'm going to be using Elite 99 No Wipe Top Coat, which is a gel. And to me, a gel top coat is better for glitter placement because it's thicker, so it holds down the glitter better and it fills in the areas around the glitter, so it doesn't stick up from your nail, which makes the manicure feel a lot smoother. I used 3 layers of top coat though, but I still say a gel top coat is better than a regular top coat for glitter placement. But we'll see when it comes to removal how much of a hassle that's going to be to remove 3 layers of gel top coat. But you know what? That could be a new trend, to do 100 layers of gel polish, but I'm not going to do that. No ma'am. Now I'm not going to be soaking my nails for 4 hours trying to get it off. No ma'am. But that could be a new trend if it ain't already thought of. Anyways, back to the manicure because I got sidetracked a little bit. All I did was apply top coat down the center of my nail, and now I'm applying the glitter on top of that, and then just give it a quick flash cure. And there's a card on the top right corner of the screen if you want to see a review on the UV lamp that I'm using, so you can click on that to see that video. Then I'm going to apply top coat to the sides where I'm going to apply a little bit more glitter and then give that a flash cure. Or you can just apply the glitter down the center and the sides and then cure them together, which is what I did later on off camera. Now I'm just top coating the whole nail and then cure for 60 seconds. my birthday is May 9th, and I wanted to post this video on my birthday, but I waited till the day before to record and edit because I had to go to work on my birthday, and I wanted to go to work and be like, I got my hair done, nails done, everything did. Yeah, I'm fancy now. I went to work fancy, okay? But it was getting late and I had to be at work at 6:30 in the morning. So I was just like, I'll finish this later and just post this video after my birthday. But anyway, leave a comment down below and let me know if you like to get cute for your birthday or whatever. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.